Welcome to Medartical. In this first video, we'll dive into the basics of the heart, an essential organ that pumps life through our veins. How to stop heart attack or treatment. The heart is an essential organ in the human body, often called a conical, hollow, musculocutaneous organ. It is found in the thoracic cavity, behind the sternum, and between the lungs. The heart is approximately 10 centimeters long and weighs about 3,000 glands. It acts as the main pump that circulates blood around the body. The base of the heart is positioned above, while the apex points downward, forming a cone-like shape characteristic of this organ. Position of the heart. The heart's position in the thoracic cavity is very significant for its function. The heart is put between the lungs and just behind the sternum. This facilitates the protection and stability of the heart. Approximately 2/3 of the heart is located on the left side of the body, while 1/3 remains on the right-hand side. It is observed that an oblique angle exists between anthropometric axes of the human thorax, anatomical obliquity, which makes it clear that within this box-shaped cavity there are no parallel lines. For instance, the fifth intercostal space apex of the heart is around 9 centimeters off the midline body during its expansion and contraction, making its efficient functioning in such a small volume as the thoracic cavity possible. Additionally, according to medical experts, its position is important during examinations or echocardiography. The heart is made up of 3 layers of distinct tissues, each having its unique purpose. These layers are outer pericardium. The outer layer of the heart guards and surrounds it using a rigid fibrous membrane. The pericardium acts like a protective layer so that the heart does not overexpand, as well as keeping it in its place inside the thorax. Middle myocardium. The middle layer of the heart, which is muscular and thick, is responsible for contracting and pumping action. The myocardium comprises specialized muscle cells called cardiomyocytes that contract together in a coordinated manner, forcing blood from the heart into the circulatory system. Inner endocardium. The innermost layer of the heart continually lines its inner chambers. This smooth tissue will ensure there is no turbulence during blood flow or clotting formation within these regions. It is essential to comprehend the lung structure-function relationship to understand how various cardiovascular diseases develop, for instance myocardial infarction, and how they can be treated. Thank you for your connecting with us. Stay tuned for Part 2. We will guide you completely about human heart organ.